Drop it.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have to prepare the tastiest mutton gravy. Now we have to see what are all the ingredients used for this gravy. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get updates of health and beauty tips. Now the ingredients are 2 pieces of cardamom, 2 pieces of cloves, small pieces of cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon of pepper and cumin powder, and 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and 1 tablespoon of garam masala. And take 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and 3 tomato finely chopped, 2 onions finely chopped, and 2 tablespoons of curd, and red curd, mint leaves, and coriander leaves. Now I have a cleaned mutton and I have to add all masalas into the mutton pieces. And add 2 tablespoons of curd, and salt, and mix it well. By mixing well, all the masalas are applied to the mutton pieces, and then you have to marinate it for half an hour. Then only we get a good taste of mutton pieces. Now put a cooker on the stove and add 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, and add cinnamon, cloves, and cardamom until it gets fried. Then I have to add an onion and have to mix it well. Then only the onion gets fried. In this stage, I have to add tomato. Then onion and tomato is getting mixed. Now tomato and onion is mashed. Then the ginger garlic paste is added. Cook it well since its raw smell is gone. Then we have to add marinated mutton into the cooker and mix it well.
You add some water and mix well.
Then you close your cooker and wait till 3 vessels came. If required, you have to use 4 or 5 vessels for releasing air on the cookware. Now the yummiest and tastiest mutton gravy is ready. I hope you have to try this in your home and give the comments. Thank you.